You're like a...
I know you can see us in the reflection. Hey guys, thanks for joining us for this week's video. I'm Lizzie. And I'm Erica, and today we're showing you GrimeBoss heavy duty wipes. And the best part about this video is that we are giving away 3 of individual packets of GrimeBoss. Stay tuned till the end of the video to find out how you could win one of these. So the best part about GrimeBoss's heavy duty wipes is that they're skin safe and they can remove paint, grease, adhesives, and plenty more substrates. So Lizzie, take it away.
GrimeBoss are heavy-duty wipes that are not only skin safe, but can be used on a variety of different things, such as fishing tools, paints, lawn care, bikes, automotives, gardening tools, barbecues, camping attire, and do-it-yourself projects, such as the tools, hammers, and a variety of other things. Thought or saw how much dirt was on the rims of this tire, and it takes it away so nice and so clean. Wow. It wipes it up as if it was water and a towel, so it wipes it up super easy. It's super nice, easy, and clean. So I'm liking these wipes. We're about to go test them on other things, but I'm very much liking them. What are you doing?
This is actually really entertaining.
It looks like frosting, doesn't it?
Alright, so the plastic that we're testing, it does a good job of getting the initial layer off. However, you're still going to need something less wet, like a paper towel, to wipe it off of plastic. But that's with anything, not necessarily just GrimeBoss, just because it's plastic. But other than that, it works well. So it's dry, so obviously it's a little bit more tougher to wipe, but
That's what the scrubby side is for.
yes, that's what the scrubby side is for, and it's coming off again fairly easy. I'm not really applying that much pressure. Two, and back at it for the third scrub. Look at that. I don't know how well you can see it on the camera, but you can actually see the line of spray paint now. It's probably hard to see on the camera, but there's a line right here between where the spray paint is and where the white tile is. Ah! It actually came up! Alright, so there's spray paint. It looks like a footprint. Let's see.
see what it looks like. Whoop. So that's one wipe. So yeah, I am using a lot of pressure on this and a lot of my thumb, but it is coming off. So, and this is on tile again. So it's like as soon as you get the top off, the top thick layer of candle wax off, and for the most part it comes off very easy. Boss can wipe it up. Oh, and the answer is yes. Yes, so far. I'm just applying a little bit of pressure. It's coming up. Not as much pressure as I had to apply with the candle wax, but I'm definitely having to apply some pressure. So, yes, it is coming up though. Right now I'm trying a little bit too with my nail, and that's making it come up a lot faster. Yeah, you definitely want to apply a little bit of nail pressure here to get it to come fully off, but it is coming off.
The spray paint was the only one that didn't come completely off, but that was only after it was dry. When it was wet, it came off beautifully. Okay, so the wipe on the left we used on spray paint and we only wiped it once, whereas the wipe on the right side, we used it 2 times and it cleaned up all of our spray paint.
Even though it didn't get super shiny like was expected after the dirt came off, you can still tell there's a lot of dirt that came off of the item after it was cleaned.
Yeah, that's good. Product even works to clean up the gunk and the grime in any room of your house.
Alright, palms up, probably. That's good. Alright, so she's got oil on my hands. I've got oil on my hands. I'm gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna wipe it off with the soft side. There's a soft side and there's a hard side with GrimeBoss. The hard side is made for all of the hard surfaces and everything that we've been showing you today. However, the soft side is what is made for your hands and face. Yes, you can rub this on your face. It has a nice lemon scent on either side, which will leave either all of your products that you use, everything that we've been showing you, nice and lemon scented, or your face and hands lemon scented. So I'm excited to use this. Let's get to it.
How do they feel?
They feel good. I'm liking how they feel. But yeah, my hands feel great. The soft side was definitely meant for your hands. It's definitely meant if you put it on your face. They feel good. They're nice and lemony.
I got a little bit of something on my pinky.
Okay, so overall I think GrimeBoss is an amazing product. I would definitely recommend this for anyone that has, you know, smaller kids or does cleaning around the house, or dogs with dirty paws running all over the house. Basically, I'd recommend this to anyone because you will need these in your life.
You will, and the best part is they smell like lemons. Open the package. Ooh, they smell amazing.
Yes.
Can't get enough.
I would definitely also want to keep a pack of these in my car because they're so easy just to throw in there and in and out.
Yeah, and you use them in your car, but you can use them anywhere in any place. So they're always good to have. And they also like moisturize your hands. My hands
after them, they feel amazing. So,
And I got some new clean kicks out of it, so I'm pretty happy.
yes. Either way, it is a SkyDESIGN Live approved product, and we love it.
And the greatest thing about this product is that we are giving away 3 of the mini packs.
Not 1, not 2, but 3.
All you have to do is follow our Instagram below and leave a like on our most recent GrimeBoss post.
So follow and like, and one of these could be yours.
Yes. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe and turn those notifications, and go ahead and leave a comment about a stain that you couldn't get out.
Yes, and give us that thumbs up. We love to see that thumbs up, so yes. Anyway guys, love to hear you. Thanks for listening, and we'll see you next Friday.
Woohoo!
Bye!
Bye!